Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining, guys. So definitely I will make this time more valuable and more knowledgeable for you. Don't worry. Today's demo is data to Microsoft Fabric and AI. So mostly everyone talk about on data, visualization, and very generic. With this, you cannot achieve anything. It's a quite common part. So something beyond that I'm going to explain today. Kindly concentrate. So I'm going to explain data to Microsoft Fabric and AI. So how much support we have in Power BI AI level? There are two demo classes. And first demo, second demo. In case you are planning to work as a report developer, a data analyst, data scientist, yeah, absolutely this course is suitable for you. For develop, if you learn for developer, these two anyway you can handle. Very easy and simple. In the first demo, I'm going to cover introduction part and duration, content, opportunity, normal and fast track differences, and I will address your question answers. And this is for 20 minutes. And next 40 minutes, I will explain data to AI. And don't expect any practical in this session. So practical, you find millions to billions in the YouTube in many places. So expect subject, good knowledge, good understanding, good awareness that you will not get it in other areas. Be mindful about this point. Explaining a practical is a very simple task. Taking software, installing it, and explaining. But providing knowledge is very tough. So I'm having these many batches. So 10 o'clock right now not available, 7 a.m., 8 a.m., and evening 6 p.m., 7 p.m. And this institute offering all these batches and multiple modes, and multiple trainers available. And tomorrow is the second demo. First 10 minutes, I will cover demo recap. And next 15 minutes, I will cover Power BI components, Power BI concepts, and Power BI practical one end-to-end example, desktop and cloud. You might have seen only desktop demo in the YouTube and all places, but cloud also I will cover. So please join. Then only you will be a good resource of Power BI. And then only a proper demo you attended. Without cloud, it is partially only the learning, the demo. A full-fledged demo include cloud. Now come to 20 minutes part. Let me explain. So my name is Vinay, and this is my contact number. And this is a call timing. Please do call me for your technical questions, concerns, suggestions, everything. And I usually recommend students to call me in these timings. Since you're attending the demo, after the demo, call me 11 a.m. to 5 p.m., 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. for all your questions. Get the clarity on the subject, opportunities, everything. Then only start your journey. Without knowing that, please do not start your journey. And training basics to advanced. It's a very detailed training. And the duration 50 to 60 hours. Sir, do we require 60 hours of Power BI? You just want to learn visualization part. That's a bits and pieces visualization. 10 hours, 15 hours sufficient. And Power BI level rich visuals we have with many options. To learn only visualization part, it will take 10 to 15 days. Then what about data extraction part, transformation part, modeling part, cloud part? So if you want to learn all this, compulsory 50 to 60 hours required. Once again, I'm telling you, you cannot learn Power BI within 15, 20 days. Unless you learn only the important parts and couple of concepts only, and no use of it. And daily training 1 hour. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice. And Monday to Friday compulsory classes, and monthly 2 Saturdays where we plan for classes. That too based on your interest. Class mode online, offline both available. And offline 3 people sitting now. Maybe joining more from Wednesday. And institute provide a daily live class video with 2 years access. Communication, WhatsApp and email both available. Very wonderful communication. And materials theory, material practical. A good material provided for your theory and practical. FAQs provided and mock interviews also conducted. Just Power BI practice not only sufficient. You need to have basic understanding of Microsoft Fabric, ADF, Power Apps. These 3 hours we will provide you. And for interview-oriented, job-oriented, SQL classes are compulsory. Database, language classes. I will take 4 hours, but this is not sufficient for you, remember. My recommendation, learn whole course wherever you want to learn. Even we offer, learn the course and prioritize 9 topics. And mandatory learning is Power BI SQL Server in case you want to try as a report developer or analyst or scientist. Top opportunities. And I will cover 2 near real-time projects for your better hands-on. And you will also get multiple case studies for more knowledge, more understanding about the subject, in and outflow. At the end, for those requested, we will provide course completion certificate. Yes, so one by one I will show you. Daily live class video sharing. Starting from today, every day you receive the videos. Take any batch. Last 7 o'clock batch. 7 in April. See, this is a lab backup for your practice. Will give you strong lab backup. Different types of files. Analysis services backups. SQL backups. Language backups. Multiple backups. And this is a place videos available. Starting from demo 1, demo 2, demo overview, and theory, case study 1, case study 2. See this? After 1-2 days, you will be working on case studies. Case study, a sprint practice end to end. However, the terminology we use in the real time like sprint, case study, and the same thing. And case study 2, case study 3, project 1, project 2, Microsoft Fabric weekend session. See everything I covered here. Not 25 sessions. And if you click on DAX, it is a language in Power BI to perform calculations. That language sessions around 16 or 17 I conducted altogether. So if you're really looking for a detailed subject of Power BI and you want to work on multiple projects in the real time, and you want to attend multiple interviews and crack easily, yes, this course is suitable for you. No doubt in that. And also we'll provide you interview questions, which are very frequently asked. That simplifies your job trial. That's okay. This is about videos. And come to this. This is a checklist we are going to discuss. See all topics. I already completed, so SSS. For you also, first topic. Second topic. Third topic, systematically we go. Once the topic completed, we will mention yes. For example, you want to know data transformation level, what I'm going to cover. Click on Power Query in this area. This is the concept. This is the concept I'm going to cover. And visualization level, if you want to see, these are the visuals. And this is all topics consolidated area. This is individual topic subsections. And even SQL, what type of concepts you need to focus? I mentioned here SQL concepts. I told you 9 topics. The 9 topics are listed here, and you can practice those. This document you receive after this session, that's the reason I'm asking you, please provide your email ID and mobile number to receive the document and video. Not all demos are in the equal state. Some demos are very strong, like us. And communication. Once the session completed, every day you receive a message. Take 7 p.m. or 7 a.m. Right, see? 30th. This was the topic happened. To 29th, 28th. And also I mentioned DAX important functions practice completed. You practice multiple times. Monday onwards, visualization start and run for 7 to 8 days. A very proper communication. For every batch, there is a group. Proper communication. I will address your questions also. Material theory, material practical will provide. Coming to materials. Just see 1 2 materials I'll show you. The basic material, and you will get on Wednesday like this. And like this, 4 to 5 materials you receive. This is the first material with proper agenda, not like other institutions, just a Word document or unstructured PDF. It's a full-fledged PDFs. And if you click on case study 1, and the case study 1 information, case study 1, how to start, how to work on it. A very proper material you will find from the institution side. Successful. And as I said, this weekend level I will cover. And you notice two real-time projects I covered. Even students ask us, sir, I need so-and-so certificate. And we also have opportunity groups and will inform students about the opportunities. SSIS and Python, because we offer multiple courses in this institute. So we mention all. And this is a Power BI resource opportunity. So Power BI, Power Query. So we have opportunity groups. When companies approach us, we will inform the students. Even we will arrange interviews for them. In case you prepared well, and we will inform you for the opportunities. And firstly, we'll conduct mock interviews. If you're through with the mock interviews, yes, definitely, we'll arrange multiple interviews from the institution side. That is the benefit we are giving to many students. And look at testimonials, couple of testimonials, not all. Genuine testimonials. And this institute majorly work on references. So Srikanth, this guy, thanks sir, need suggestion, TCS 30 lakhs per annum, 25 June only. And CJ 32 lakhs per annum. Need to decide, sir. Need your suggestion. And 24th June. So I, sir, started my June new journey, thought to update you. I joined a new company, which is Lamb Research. So my performance was good. Sir, I got 12% hike. Sir, I would like to share the news that I got Power BI developer, which so all this year only. And very limited available here. And more, if you want to see, I will give you the link. Please look into. Students refer. If students referring an institute, definitely it's a good institute. And this guy recently, sir, my friend will call you on Wednesday, Thursday for Power BI class. Please check discount also. Like this, guys. Fine. Next one. Yeah, see this? Hello, sir. In July month, we had a discussion regarding the project interview questions. Could you please share? Yeah, we will respond. Even Sunday, we responded. See, students ask questions on Sundays also. We letters like this. So you need to have patience. So and so area, so and so wrong you did. It's a project, a multi-tenant project. In the project level, student did mistakes. Right, sir. So this is very brief about opportunities we inform, mock interviews, etc. And the training objective is maximum subject coverage with real-time industry examples. And the subject is suitable for interview. And in case you want to write certification of Power BI, PL 300 is the examination name. You want to write, yeah, 70 to 80% I'm covering here. Happily you can write. Sir, what about remaining 30? Remaining 30%, I'll give you the dumps. Please follow the dumps to complete. Sir, I don't want any certification. I don't want to work in the real time on Power BI, but I just want to create my own reports. I'm a senior resource and I'm working in a pharma industry. Yep. You can generate your own reports. And any graduate is eligible to learn Power BI. No qualification restriction. Graduation is compulsory. Any graduation, BA, BCom, any. And what type of component? It's a low code component. In the low code because of DAX language. In case the DAX language also, if you ignore, it's a no code only, full graphical. These are my details. Institute provide training object to general questions. Anything you want to ask from anything you want to ask, guys? And whoever just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number to receive demo video and demo document. They are very valuable. Please provide. After this session, open the document and go through it. Don't neglect, guys. Please take your mic and ask your questions if you want to ask. And try to understand the place, try to understand the market of Power BI. Many of you might be thinking, do we have market of Power BI? Yes, because Power BI used as a report developer, Power BI and SQL, or BI developer, Power BI plus SQL, and Power BI used in the data analysis side, Power BI, SQL, Excel, or Python in the visualization part. And data scientist level also visualization part, we use Power BI. You work on data, but how do you present using visualization tool Power BI? You work on data, but how do you present finally? You require a visualization tool Power BI. And recently, Microsoft giving AI component, artificial intelligence component, and complete end-to-end support. Fabric. Fabric level also Power BI playing its own role. I'll explain what is Fabric. And data citizen opportunities level also Power BI providing its own role. And many non-IT companies nowadays they're moving to Power BI from Excel to Power BI, and those people generating reports for them also Power BI helpful. So not one two areas, and many areas Power BI providing its own support, strong support. Even the market is very strong for that. See the market of Power BI. Microsoft named a leader in 2024 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Analytics and BI platform. Not only now, and this is the 17th consecutive year. Please look at the point. 17th consecutive year, Microsoft named as a leader in the Analytics and BI platform. This is the most important point you need to remember. If leader does not have market, what about others? You think about it. An analysis is evergreen. Analysis is evergreen. Data visualization, analysis is evergreen. Our Microsoft is on top. Salesforce, ClickView, Tableau, these are all next to that. And if you talk about top three visualization tool, Power BI, Tableau, ClickView. 1, 2, 3. These are the top. But Power BI having extremely superb market. So don't think about Power BI market or Microsoft market. They're the leader, last 17 years leader. Microsoft. Initially with MS BI, now Power BI. Power BI continuing the leadership. This is a point which is eye-catchy for us. If you question why, this is the one. And Forrester Wave, one more organization. He also said the same thing. Microsoft named a leader in the augmented BI platform. So don't think about my Microsoft market and BA market. So Microsoft is ruling the rest. And if you learn properly, it may take 1-2 days plus or minus, but definitely you'll get the job. And Power BI is used in multiple areas. In any area, you can join and you can work according to your qualification interest. Questions, please. Right. So guys, we also offer fast track one-on-one video-based training. In case you don't get time and you just want to take videos, yes, you can take videos. Otherwise, we have normal track, fast track, one-on-one. A normal track 50 to 60 hours, maximum detailed subject covered. And 25 to 30 fast track and one-on-one also available, but up to usage level, people will cover. If someone says complete detail will cover 25 to 30 hours, it's impossible. Sir, okay, I'm learning through online. Will you help me in the practical part? Any doubts and all? You just notice my WhatsApp. However, I help the students the same way. You can ask during the class or you can call on this number, support number. They will help you in your practical. Connecting through the phone, Zoom, etc. They will help you. Right. And I will explain you tomorrow the difference between data analyst, report developer, and data scientist. Because these are the hot opportunities in the market, more demanded opportunities in the market. I'll explain in detail tomorrow. Right. So, sir, I'm learning Power BI. Fine. You showed me a couple of opportunities. What are the experiences I can keep? If you learn Power BI, as a Power BI fresher, you can join 0 to 1 year. Or Power BI, a report developer, less than 5 years, you can join. And Power BI, this is Power BI, SQL. So 90% opportunities in this combination below 5 years. And you can try as a support resource. You can try as an admin resource. And you can try Power BI plus MSBA components in case you're already having knowledge or you're interested to establish your career strongly by learning multiple tools. Or you can go in this combination. Many Tableau ClickView projects migrating to Power BI. So by learning this or by having knowledge on this, you can try. Or Azure ADF, Data Lake, and AAS, Fabric Lakehouse. This is recently given, very hot. Or Power BI Synapse Databricks. These are additional combinations in case you want to go. But 90% opportunities on this, you can try on this. Sir, I want to keep more than 5 years. Yeah, possible. Power BI modeler, Power BI designer, Power BI specialist, Power BI architect. These are the roles available for more than 5 years. But you cannot try directly. At least 1-2 projects end-to-end knowledge is mandatory. If you don't have working experience, you cannot try on them. With proper work experience only, you can try. And data scientists, pressure available 0 to 1 year, experience also available. And data analyst, pressure available, experience available. And Power Apps, Power Automate plus Power BI. This opportunity also available in the market. So these are the various opportunities you will see in the market. Next. So any question from this?
Yeah, I'm Naresh here.
Yeah, please.
Actually, I'm working in non-IT industry. Can I switch to this for the
Naresh, I need to discuss with you multiple things. If possible, call me on this contact number. I will help you on that, sir. I'll give you
yeah,
very
sure.
proper suggestion because single line we cannot conclude. Like non-IT people
Okay,
can enter into IT.
thank you.
Welcome, sir. So, guys, who all want to discuss with me your career? I would like to know more details. So please do call me and we'll have a nice discussion. I'll give you proper suggestion, very proper. I'm having a rich experience in IT, interviews, and technological development. So definitely I will give you right suggestion. Don't worry. I'm a passionate learner, continuous learner. Right. So in the 2 months, I'm going to cover this part in the next 2 months. And the checklist which I showed you, this anyway I'm sharing with you. Not only that. So project environment level, concepts, tools, and projects and case studies, database and SQL, job trials, and Microsoft Fabric and Azure BA. So environment concepts, project tools knowledge I'll give you, and two near real-time projects and multiple case studies. Database and SQL 3 to 4 hours I'll give you, but recommend you to learn whole course and prioritize 9 topics which I mentioned in the Excel. Resume preparation I'll explain you, and FAQs I will cover. Mock interviews conducted, and for those cleared in the mock interview, we'll arrange actual interviews. Otherwise, for everyone, we'll inform about opportunities. And Power BI subject level cloud components are these two. On-premises level 3. These all I'm going to cover. And Power Apps 1.5 hour, Power Automate 1 hour I will cover. And Fabric and Azure BA 2 hours. Either me or my co-trainers will cover this additional part. Sir, is it mandatory? Yes. You're going to work in an environment where Azure available, Fabric available, and Power Apps and Power Automate available. If you don't know the relationship between them, you cannot continue happily in the project environment. So your friends might suggest you need to learn from a real-time trainer, good trainer. So real-time trainer, good trainer will tell you real-time environment. So this course include that part. Next 2 months part. Okay. So what I am going to cover, I clearly explain my details, what we provide, and also up Power BI existence, normal track, fast track, one-on-one differences. What are the opportunities available? And then I explained about what we cover high level 2 months, low level is in the Excel sheet. Right. We will go to the fresh part of demo part. So before I go for demo, if anyone having questions, kindly ask. If anyone wants to provide email ID, mobile number, kindly provide. Demo video and demo document you receive. So please read the document and video. Pause the video. More knowledge you get. Right. Look at this. So I usually say anyone who wants to start a Power BI, they need to have knowledge on this hierarchy first. Very, very important hierarchy. So data to IT applications, IT application to BI, BI application to Power BI, Power Platform, Microsoft Fabric. And nowadays, Power BI you use as a standalone. This is called standalone or Fabric level. Here also use it. 1 and 2, two areas. So what is Fabric then? And what is AI then? Everything I will cover. Please stay tuned. So data, IT application, BI application, Power BI, Power Platform, Fabric. And coming to Azure, I don't know how many of you have knowledge on Azure. Azure, you connect by using a portal, portal.azure.com. It is a Microsoft cloud, similar to Google Drive. Google Drive is a Google cloud, and Azure is a Microsoft cloud. Portal.azure.com, we will connect. And Microsoft Fabric, it is a pure Microsoft cloud, recently given. for multiple component solution. And Power BI service is a Power BI cloud. This is the Power BI cloud. Okay. Why I'm showing this? I will explain, then only you get clarity. Listen to it once again, I'm telling. And if you don't know this properly, then you cannot start your career perfectly in the companies. Some demos may be very simple, easy to understand, that does not provide you good information. But I'm going to give you very good information. I can say confidently. There is little, what is it, confuse or pain during listening to it, but helpful for you, and you feel very easy after 2 3 days. After 2 3 days, you feel very bored because daily we're going to discuss the same thing, same hierarchy. Right? Firstly, data. What is data? Anything you are able to store in IT is called data. And there are three types of data available in IT industry. So knowingly or unknowingly, everyone working on these three types, whether you're IT or non-IT. First one, structured data, table, Excel, these whole column by column data and fully structured. Second one, semi-structured, and there are many sources available in the market. So importantly, JSON, it is a file format where it holds semi-structured data. XML is also file format where it holds semi-structured data, like this. So university, name, degree, see this, and data available. Here, purely data available, structured. And here is metadata. This is called metadata, and this is called data, semi-structured. Unstructured, social media, Gmail, email, and PDF, Word, all come under unstructured data like this. So these are the three types of data available in the current IT industry. And this data company is keeping in the form of file or database, any of the format. And they are storing this data in two areas. One is on-premises, second one cloud. On-premises indicate within their server, company server. They will install a server and place it. And cloud, somebody else storage. Today you received a demo document, a demo video, both through cloud. That is a Google Cloud. And we all keeping our mobile contacts backup and mobile images backup, videos backup in Google Cloud, Apple Cloud, iCloud, many places. So somebody else's storage. So this concept with respect to Microsoft is this: any type of data, any format data, and any storage data with respect to Microsoft. Any type, any format, any storage. And since 2013, this was a slogan from the Microsoft. Power BI slogan. Remember, the basic Power BI slogan is this: any type, any format, any storage. This is a major reason why top companies started using Power BI from 2014, not now, 2014 onwards, by seeing this. Because there are a lot many BA tools before 2014, but no tool is supporting all types of data, all formats, and all storage. The first tool, number one tool, first tool, which is providing support for all this is Power BI. So IT industry level, these are the three types available, three storages available. Sorry, two storages, two formats. All supporting component is Power BI. Any question from this? Next, IT applications. You have seen and you heard about many applications: Java, .NET, Python, SAP, ERP, CRM, many applications. But two types of applications you must focus, because that is your environment, major environment. And first one, business running applications. So what are the applications available in the market for business running, and what type of process we have? Because this is our data for analysis. Mostly we analyze business process data to provide the support. That's the reason these applications are called business analytical applications, or analytical applications, or online analytical processing applications, or BA applications, business intelligence applications. And you guys attending a demo, and that component will do business decisions. It will create business decision suitable visualizations. Okay, that's okay. Now, what is the first application? This is the one, business running. And the people who are new to IIT, please keep a focus on this, business running. And take an example, IRCTC, Indian Railway Ticketing System, Book My Show, and PhonePe, ZPay. These all come under on business running applications. Yes, you want to pay money, you want to transfer money, you want to book a movie ticket, train tickets. And these will give at the end, a message called transaction success or failure. So we call these applications as transaction applications. Any application you take, the transaction successful or the transactions fail at the end. So we call these applications transaction applications, technically online transaction processing, OLTP. That point you clear. But how is it possible? General public, they fill the forms, maybe in the web platform, desktop platform, or mobile platform, any platform. They fill the form, and once the form information successful, there will be storage. And the storage level, the success or failure information will be stored. This is called OLTP, transactional application, APP. And this is called OLTP storage. And 90% projects which you are going to work after learning this component is this data only, transactional data, 90%. Only 10% semi-structured, unstructured. But 90% you work on this. That's the reason I said, so you must have knowledge on transactional processing. And your objective is this. Now your role is this, only this area. You will bring this data. You will implement BA process, business intelligence process, and maintain business intelligence storage. Some people say analytical process, analytical storage. And finally, analytical components used to present. Analytical components are reports or dashboards. The same information, train tickets information presented like this. And the trains having highest demand today, the trains having lowest demand today, the coaches having highest booking, the region having highest booking, such kind of information. So from your IRCTC transactional data, and we will derive this kind of information. But how is it possible? By using OLAP process, OLAP storage second one, and OLAP component 3. These 3 are majorly important. And you guys will get this kind of data. And you implement this, store and provide. Questions, please. Who just joined, kindly provide email ID, mobile number to get demo video document. Next, what is BI? This is a little boring only because some of you might have knowledge on it. BI abbreviation is business intelligence, intelligence to the business, decision making or analysis of the business. Technically, if you want to conclude, it is the process of converting your normal data into decision making data. And that's the reason input for BI, input and output for BI, any type of data, any data, anywhere. But output is report or dashboard. So you all guys generate report or dashboard from the BI tools, maybe Power BI, MS BI, Azure BI, any BI. Output is report or dashboard like this. So this is a report and this is a dashboard. So how do you differentiate? Report always talks about detailed understanding of data. More visuals, broader visuals you see here. It usually explains an operation in a business functionality, like withdraw report in a savings account, deposit operation in a savings account individually. But whereas dashboard level, high level presentation of multiple operations, a single subject area. Complete savings account data, one area. Complete demat account data, one area. Current account data, one area. That is a dashboard. That's the reason companies level reports are many. The detailed data presentation one. In my last company, 300 plus reports. But dashboards are limited. And hardly we were having 12 dashboards. So reports are 300 plus and dashboards are this. So if your customer says we need to prepare a dashboard, okay, high level presentation, and you need to prepare a report, yeah, low level presentation. Immediately Unity gets strike, and this is your final output. Questions, please. Great. And Power BI, what exactly it does? Guys, general public, they use these kind of applications, transactional applications. They maintain storage, maybe on-premises or cloud. Power BI will bring the data, and it has a component called desktop. It will do all these operations, store and manage, and finally the reports and dashboards given to the management team. So Power BI used in this area between transactions to management. Right. Now I want to explain something additional. Please focus. This is a little confusing area, but more informative area. Focus on this. And stop me if you're not able to understand. Very, very important area. Very, very important. Even YouTube and all, you look into regarding this classification, you will not find it. I'm sure about that. So, okay, let me continue. Then you will understand. So customers, multiple platforms, data, transactional data, maybe file or database. Till this part, you are clear. Business data here, business data. But management team required business analysis data or business intelligent data, BA or BZ. And they want to access through web, mobile, and desktop. How come this business data converted into business analytical data, business intelligence data? I told you BA process is required. You want to construct a house. How do you construct a house? Will you construct directly? No. First of all, land grabbing. Second, foundation, pillar, sidewall, so roof, sidewall. One by one you go. Then only you make a proper house. The same way here also. And this is your transactional data. Firstly, you perform this operation, bring the data, do the necessary shaping, transformation, and load it. Where? In a huge storage area. Why? Years and years data you want to analyze. Historical data you want to analyze. So maintain a huge storage. So daily data you bring, shape it, load to huge storage. Once the huge storage is ready, take the required data, specific data. I need last quarter data, or only chairs data, chairs analysis you want, chairs. If it is a manufacturing industry, or you want a specific subject area, sales data only. Yes, take required data and perform aggregate analytical operations. And some people say more meaningful area this is, so semantic area. Semantic is more meaningful. So where you have data, specific aggregates like sum, average, minimum, maximum, and analytical operations like top, bottom, etc. And finally, this data you provide to data presentation where reports and dashboards generated. So these are the 4 layers mandatorily needed in every company. Then only business analytical system or BA system constructed. First one, ETL layer. Second one, data warehouse, huge storage. Third one, cubes. Next one, reporting. 4, mandatory. So since 90, this process available, mandatory process if any company want to follow. So a couple of ETL tools, couple of warehouses, cubes, reporting available, individually available, and especially top companies only, not small, medium companies. Top companies able to afford, and they installed multiple tools. They recruited multiple people. They maintain multiple resources. But very tough and complex. Everyone looking forward for a simple, cute solution, end-to-end solution. First time one company came forward and given a wonderful process, that is Microsoft. On-premises solution Microsoft given, MSBA. Remember this. Microsoft is the boss in analytics because of this reason. First one, MSBA, proudly launched. Microsoft's Business Intelligence in 2005. It is a self-service BA suite. What is self-service? End to end, you can do it. If you go to a hotel or a restaurant, what do you mean by self-service? You go to the counter, take the ticket, go to the kitchen, and take your food, and finally you throw it to dustbin. That is self-service. The same way here, it is self-service BA suite with three major tools. Total 6 available, but majorly 3. So this is the first tool. This tool for this operation, SSIS, SQL Server Integration Services. So MSBA suite components. Listen to it. I'm going to derive something very good. And till 8:10, the session will continue, 8:10 a.m. Please stay tuned. Till 8:10 a.m. You get more information from now onwards. Sharp 8:10, I will close. Right. So this is the first tool in this area. And the second tool in this area, analysis services, reporting services in this area. So Microsoft given an on-premises solution in 2005. Remember 2005. Every year, so every 2 to 3 years, there is a version 5, 8, 2008 R2, 2012, 2014, like this. Every 2 to 3 years, there is a new version. That is good. But one problem was there, guys. It is a well-proved component in the market. Till this day, we have very good market for MSBA. You can go to Naukri, LinkedIn, and you see the opportunities. Competition is less, and market is very strong for MSBA. Then why Power BI, sir? Why Azure BI? Why Fabric? These are all Microsoft components. So you must have hierarchical knowledge on this. MSBA built purely before 2004 market. See this. So the engine support, on-premises operation, no cloud. And Facebook and many applications available in the market after 2004. Cloud also available in the market after 2004. Mobile and tab apps available in the market after 2004. So after 2004, market level, there are many changes. Cloud available, apps available, unstructured data available like Facebook and all. So this was not having the support of this. So Microsoft want to work on cloud first. Yes, they designed a cloud called Azure Cloud. And the BI, like ADF is a Azure Data Factory, which is given for ETL in the cloud, Azure cloud level. AAS is a cloud, so cloud component for this operation, Azure Analysis Services. And Synapse or Snowflake in this area for warehousing purpose. So Microsoft in Rush, they given 3 cloud components for processing, but reporting not available because their major focus on cloud only. So for again reporting SSRS initially, but people ask Microsoft, SSRS is an on-premises application, no cloud, and the features also very less. So Microsoft decided, why don't we release a new reporting component which is good for on-premises and cloud? That advanced new reporting is Power BI in 2013. It is a self-service BA component. No need of multiple tools like this. So Power Query is a concept available, the first concept to perform ETL process. Power Pivot is a concept available to perform this queue process. Power View and Power Map for this purpose, reporting purpose. So this is the end-to-end process in Power BI. One single application, multiple concepts, we do end-to-end process. Beautiful, right? Cloud and on-premises supported. So the people who are working on Azure level, they're using Power BI in this area. You will come to know the market of this. Power BI they're using on this area. That's the reason Azure plus Power BI very hot in the market. Interested for cloud. Even on-premises people, they're not using SSRS. They're using Power BI here. So IS, AS, these kind of on-premises tools for respect to operation reporting Power BI. And cloud people also going for Power BI, both. And Microsoft noticed companies going for data factory, ETL in this area, analysis in this area, cloud, and Power BI also they're using for cloud. So why don't we give all the 3 combination in a single area? That is a fabric. in 2024 available with AI features added. So data factory, the same ADF is called as a data factory here, not Azure, because it's not a Azure one, Microsoft Fabric. So the name data factory available, but which is close to ADF. So data factory in this area, Synapse or Lakehouse in this area for more storage, Lakehouse. Notebook kind of components in this area for cubes, Power BI in this area, all in a single area called Fabric. All in a single area. So the people who are using MSBA, Azure, these kind of companies, or other even Informatica, Teradata, Hyperion, these companies using Power BI in this area. And some companies, they want only Microsoft cloud components. So Microsoft Cloud, like Data Factory, Synapse, these components, these people. So both the purposes, Power BI is helpful. My current training of Power BI is suitable to work as this for any kind of end-to-end support, as well as Fabric level visualization part. Then what is Fabric? Fabric is an all-in-one solution, AI platform, from data ingestion to data presentation with data activator facilities for governance. So simply from here to here, everything you can do in the Fabric. More powerful you can do, it's a pure cloud operation. That's the reason there is a more market for Power BI, next market, more market for Fabric, and next market also this. Sir, this is a Power BI demo, right? Why are you talking about Fabric? Because after learning Power BI, you may work here in standalone or you may work in the cloud level. Sir, can you show me standalone and cloud? Standalone means like this, you will find the tool. There is a tool, you will open Power BI tool, you do the operations. So this is a Power BI standalone application. On-premises cloud, both suitable application. Power BI application. So in this area, you will bring the data, extraction part. This is a transformation part. This is a relationship part. Security part. This is the area security. And visuals use here. End-to-end we do it. Extraction. See this. Data bringing. Data transformation. Data modeling. And presentation. Everything we are doing. The same end-to-end process. I'm talking about this process. This end-to-end available in this area. Yeah, till last year it was good. And even today, 90% companies use it. Just 10% companies move to cloud, purely Fabric cloud. So this is a URL, app.fabric.microsoft.com. So in this area, if you see, workspace, I'm creating a workspace, working area creation, workspace means, don't worry. Just a URL I connected with an account and click new item, if you see, get data. From all these sources you can bring. Cloud level, here we are having the same thing, get data. This is standalone Power BI. Cloud level, Fabric level, if you see, you can bring data from all this. You can store the data, lakehouse, semantic model, warehouse, etc. Don't worry, each and every word I will explain very clearly. Immediate to demo sessions, we are having the basic fundamental session. There I will cover all these terminologies in rich. The first topic, important terminologies before startup. What is data? Database, data warehouse, data lake, lake house, on-premises, cloud, data types, cloud types, BA history, Power BI, MSBA, Azure BA, Power Platform, Fabric, AI concepts, and Power BI. This was the first session after your demos. So very beginning session, I will start from basics, don't worry. And without knowing this, you cannot work in the real time. You cannot understand job description, first of all. Okay. So Fabric, how do we connect? App.fabric.com. So here, if you see, you can bring the data. You can store the data. You can prepare the data. And you can track the data, monitoring, visualize the data. So the Power BI knowledge which you are learning, use here, Power BI knowledge. The visualization part, report creation, dashboard creation. This is the area you use it. Page related report creation. scorecard creation. This is Power BI. So after learning this course, you are in a good position to work in the Power Fabric level as a visualization resource or standalone Power BI. Both the places you can work. And here the number of features are less, here more. So if someone says Microsoft Power BI market is very less or something, no, continuously increasing with its features. Continuously increasing, not normal. Now, anyway, you open standard Power BI application, see, there is something called prepare data for AI. This is the AI area. Power BI application, AI area, artificial intelligence area. So added many places level in Power BI. Next, I will open a DAX query view. Here, there is something called Copilot. This is AI area, Power BI. So finally, what I conclude is Power BI is the third BI from the Microsoft with multiple concepts in a single tool to perform end-to-end process. And AI added in the Power Query level, Power Pivot level, Power View level, everywhere AI available. AI features like Copilot support is there everywhere. This is standalone. Or you want to use Power BI in the Microsoft Fabric level, in this area, use it. Only this Power View, Power Map operations you do in this area. What about these two? Yeah, Data Factory will do in the Fabric level. Synapse Lakehouse will do in the Fabric level, this part. Only this is a part you do in the Fabric level. So conclusion. So I clearly mentioned BI evolution, legacy old BI, middle age BI, MS BI, modern BI, Power BI, Tableau, ClickView. Power BI is top among all BI tools, having more market. It is a leader for the last 17 years, Microsoft. And why Power BI created when MSBI exists? I already told you. MSBI level, cloud operation not available. MSBI level, all types of data not possible. MSBI level, average code we need to write, but Power BI level, low code. And MSBI level, no great updates. Every 2 to 3 years update. After every 2 to 3 years, a new version. Power BI level, we have a monthly update. If you question yourself why Power BI created when MSBI has strong market and already exists, these are all the reasons. Cloud on premises, mobile and tab friendly, low code, Power BI, monthly update available, any type of data supporting. That's the reason people say adding more power to existing BI is Power BI. Already existing BI available, MSBI, Azure BI, more power is added Power BI. Technically strong people say, even Microsoft say, this is a Microsoft definition. Power BI is a low code application, low code. Cloud and on-premises support application, both supported. Self-service application to generate reports and dashboards from the data. So multi-point definition. Low code, cloud and on-premises supportive, self-service end-to-end processing, report and dashboard application. July 2013 Power BI announced, and every month we have an update. Sir, where can I see? If you want to see, I already opened Gartner or this. See, September 2025, current month update. And from here, July 2013 to every month we are having update. These are all the monthly updates. So do you need to learn all? No, no, not required. And how much you need to focus, I will tell you, don't worry. That's all. So Power BI definition 1, definition 2, release here. And with the given split of Power BI, Microsoft first given Power Platform. It's a low code platform with 5 components. Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Virtual Agent, Power Pages. After huge feedback, so after very good feedback of Power BI and success in the market, Microsoft given Power Platform. But companies are running behind AI and a complete cloud. So they given one more call, Fabric. So Fabric is all-in-one solution in the cloud level. So data citizens, data analysts, data scientists, data engineers, everyone can get benefit with this Fabric. So next feature is Fabric only. Next market is Fabric only. Everyone will get benefit. And the current Power BI helpful as a standalone Power BI developer or Fabric level Power BI developer. Anyway, helpful for you technically. Or you want to try as a data scientist, data analyst also, Power BI helpful. So this is all about data to Fabric, Fabric to AI. Everything clearly given. So conclusion. So we have three types of data, two types of format, two types of storage. IT, many applications available, but important applications, transactional, analytical. Analytical applications also call it as BA applications since 90 available, and legacy old BA, middle age BA, modern BA, three BAs available. And the current BA is a modern BA, and Power BI comes under modern BA. And definition one of Power BI, which was given in 13, more power added to existing BA. Definition two is self-service BA with low code application, cloud and on-premises application, reports and dashboard generated. And with the given spirit of this low code, Microsoft given multiple low code components. But market changing drastically, so Microsoft given a Fabric, a pure cloud solution for end-to-end with AI features. These are four major features. So modern Power BI projects, including Power BI standalone operation at Fabric level Power BI operation. I'm done with this, guys. And as I told you, 60 days is the duration, 50 to 60 hours, and daily 1 hour. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours of practice. Monday to Friday compulsory classes. Monthly 2 Saturdays you are having sessions. That too based on your interest. Online, offline, both available. I'm a working senior lead consultant. Call time 11 a.m. to 5 p.m., 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Don't hesitate to call me, guys, for your technical questions, concerns, suggestions, guidance, career guidance. I'm good in IT, so definitely I will give you a very good suggestion. And daily live class videos we will share. Wonderful communication. What materials, theory, practical provided. And FAQs also we will give you. Mock interviews also we conduct. Some additional sessions we conduct. And SQL 4 hours only I cover due to time restriction. And the people who want to enter into development side, analysis side, scientist side, learn Power BI and SQL Server. This is compulsory. Any graduate eligible to learn, and it is a low code component. And the major objective of the course, maximum subject coverage, so that you can pace interview easily, you can work in real time happily, multiple projects. In what situation you can generate your own reports. And if you're really looking for a good institute with very good subject or a complete Power BI subject, basics to advanced, an easy and simple way of learning. This institute and course curriculum is suitable for you. Sufficient for interviews and to work on multiple projects. That's all, guys.